Rods. Now, for the longest time, I thought they were pronounced Celilo, but I recently found it's actually pronounced Suh-LIE-Low. It's Indian pronunciation. And these are affordable quality rods that are basically for this year, 2026, are kind of priced between the $36 to $86 range for ultralights to heavy duties. Okay, so right here, this is the casting model. You can tell because of the trigger right here. The spinning model wouldn't have the trigger. So this is a CE-C-962 MLA. Recommended line weight for this is 6 to 12 pounds. Recommended lure weight is a quarter to a half. Guides, you're going to have 9 guides here plus tips. So this is what you call a 9+1 configuration. Sections are 2, so these are 50-50 cut sections. Sometimes you're going to get them in a 70-30, so it's going to give you more power during your lifting, but I prefer the 50-50 because it's a lot easier to transport. So your rear grip, put this here. Your rear grip here, which is the largest section, this is 12 and 8 inches. The foregrip, which is up here, this is smaller. This is 3.5 inches. Total length is 9 feet 6 inches. Okay, look at that. 9 feet 6 inches. The rating of this is a medium light action. Rod taper, medium fast. So it means that you're going to have more of a faster type of reaction, which is really good to help set the hook, and it's still going to be a fast reaction. Now, the weight of this one here, because this older model was no longer on the Okuma site, because this disappeared from the Okuma site, but according to Tackle Direct, they put this at 6.2 ounces because that's what they advertise it as. But I'm going to put in my own picture here. When I did it on my scale, now I am a eBay dealer, so I sell products, and under my USPS scale, it came in at 6.9 ounces. Okay, this is my second one. Now, I kind of like the 9'6", so my first one I showed you was casting, which I used up at the Columbia River, where that's how it got its name and its birth. Okay, this is the CE-S-9, there it is. Can you read that? 962LA. Okay, now the recommended line weight for this one here is 4 to 8 pounds. Recommended lure weight is 1/8 to 3/8 ounces. Guides, you're going to have 10+1, which means you got 10 guides here plus the 1 tip. This has one more than the C rod I previously showed you, because this is the S rod. Section is 2, which are 50-50 configuration. Length is 9'6" in 2 50-50 sections with a stainless steel hook keeper. The rating on this one, the par rating is light action. Rod weight is 7.2 ounces. You also have a limited 1-year warranty, so be sure that you send in your paperwork after you purchase it. And let me go on to the last one. This one here is my latest one. This is you can tell because the color in this one is pure black, where the other ones were kind of like a dark green. I noticed if the first ones that came out were dark brown, they went to dark green. Now you got these that are charcoal black. Now this one here is the CE-S-862ULB. Now that's the designation for this one here. I like this. This is a little bit more compact. I kind of like this one. The recommended line weight on this is 2 to 6 pound. Good range. Recommended lure weight is 1/32 to 3/8. So you got a nice range here. I use small cast masters and other type of lures. With this, it's very simple to use, and it really guides 8+1. So, you know, you always got your first one on the main blank and then the rest afterwards. Section is, again, 2. You're going to have two 50-50 sections. Rear grip on this one right here, the rear grip is 10 3/8 inches. Fore grip, I am not sure what the fore grip is. There was no information given on that I could find. I could measure it, but you can see here it is very short. It's probably around 2.25, 2.5 inches. Okay, so the total length on this is 8'6". It does have this stainless steel hook keeper right there. The rating of this one is ultra light, which is a true ultra light. So the rod weight of this one is a very light 4.55 ounces, again with a limited 1-year warranty. And this one also has the stainless steel hoods. Which one is it? Like this one here. See, this one has the stainless steel hoods too. So these are the 3 models that I currently have. So hopefully you enjoyed my presentation on my introduction to this type of rod. These are basically ultralights, but they can go up to extra heavy, but these were made for the lighter fare to go for salmon, steelhead, trout, perch, you know, a lot of the panfish. It's a rod for many different purposes. Just got to match it up with the lengths, the applications, like if it's going to be spinning, casting, in the weight. Okay, thank you.